Katherine from Double Kidney here. Welcome to our journey together to a better kidney health. There are 7 natural ways to turn on your kidneys like a water tap. These home remedies will help kickstart your kidneys so they will excrete more water and sodium into the urine quick. Like a natural diuretic, this will help with edema and swelling and will also help you lower your blood pressure. Let's start immediately. Let's see what really works. Number 7. Ginger tea. Oh, ginger is a wonderful superfood with many incredible properties. Ginger, both if eaten raw or as a tea, can ease stomach upset and nausea very fast, and it can act as a natural anti-inflammatory to relieve pain. And there are even studies on kidney disease patients showing that ginger has therapeutic effects in improving renal function. This is because ginger is loaded with bioactive compounds and nutrients that are helpful for our brain and body. When brewed into a tea, ginger can stimulate the body to remove surplus salt and water. And it also acts as a mild diuretic to make your kidneys work better. How to make ginger tea? Thinly slice your fresh ginger. Use about a 1-inch piece of ginger per cup of tea. Combine the ginger with fresh water. Use 1 cup of water per serving. Bring the mixture to a boil over high heat. Reduce the heat as necessary and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. If desired, serve your tea with a thin round of lemon and be ready for quick results. Ginger tea is a spicy and flavorful drink that packs a punch of healthy, disease-fighting antioxidants. If you pair it with a healthy renal diet, it will help your kidney health. But remember, the fight for kidney disease is a march, not a sprint. So watch today's video till the end so you will have the info you need to decide which remedies will help you most. Because that's how you can win the long-term battle against kidney disease. Okay, another very interesting remedy now. Number 6. Caraway. Have you ever heard about this one? Caraway is a unique spice used both in cooking and herbal medicine. Although frequently mistaken for a seed, this small brown pod you see here is really the dried fruit of the caraway plant. It looks a bit like fennel and it has a flavor similar to anise. And emerging research suggests that the aromatic compounds responsible for its distinct taste may also provide health benefits for your kidneys. Ancient therapies such as Ayurveda use caraway for a variety of medicinal purposes, including digestive disorders, headaches, and to help with kidney health. In Moroccan medicine, caraway is used as a diuretic. Today, we know this spice can benefit your kidneys for 2 reasons. It acts as a natural diuretic, also helping getting rid of excess potassium and sodium in the body. And also, it can lower blood sugar levels, very useful to fight diabetic kidney disease. Caraway can be used whole or ground in both sweet and savory dishes such as breads, pastries, curries, and stews. When used medicinally, caraway can be made into a tea or taken as a supplement. Now, a question. What kind of result can you expect from using these home remedies in terms of kidney health? Well, I have a comment I want to read you on this matter. This one was posted on my video 7 Best Kidney Vitamins Foods. Thank you for this information. I am a living example of diet change leading to reversed CKD. I was diagnosed as stage 3B, but following a diet plan as outlined in your video with foods to cleanse and alkalize my kidneys and also regular exercise, I was able to improve. One thing I can say for sure with kidney issues, everyone should try this as it definitely worked for me. I have focused on knowing my body better and understanding what works for me. You have made a believer out of me. Since starting to follow you on YouTube, my 2 last visits to the nephrologist, my GFR is back within normal range. I told him about you and asked him if he knew about you. He said he had never heard of you, but if it's working, I should keep at it. I told him I had no intention of stopping. Oh, thank you very much for sharing your story. I'm so happy for you, and absolutely keep doing what you're doing to improve your eGFR. And by the way, guys, you know that I love reading your comments here. So if you have a success story you want to share with me and the other viewers, post it down in comment section and I will read it in one of my future videos. Now, I still have 5 even more powerful remedies I want to show you today. Let's move on with our number 5. There are 2 superfoods that you can combine to get impressive results. Celery and cilantro. Celery is one of the healthiest veggies in the world, and even if it is often dismissed as an empty food, it is actually full of magnesium, calcium, and vitamins A, B, and C. And celery has long been used as a traditional remedy to treat UTIs and other problems of the urinary tract. It's a mild diuretic and it also has powerful antimicrobial properties. Okay, if celery is not already a regular on your table, also consider that this veggie contains a compound called 3N-butyl phthalate that restrains rapid fluctuations in blood pressure and also reduces bad cholesterol in the body. Great! Now, if we add cilantro to the equation, benefits may be even more powerful. In fact, while cilantro is mainly used as a garnish, it may be very useful for kidney health. It has several powerful health benefits. It helps cleansing the kidneys and can even help with urinary tract health, anxiety, skin health, and digestion. It's not news that Ayurveda medicine has used it for thousands of years to detox the body. Actually, when you combine celery and cilantro together, you may get even better results. This is why I've used them in my favorite kidney cleanse. If you want to watch this video, link is up here. But don't go away yet, the 4 most powerful remedies are coming. 4. Hawthorn tea. Oh yes, we're going to see a lot of different teas today. For centuries, hawthorn tea has been used as an herbal remedy for kidney problems, heart health, and high blood pressure. In fact, it's a key part of traditional Chinese medicine. Today we know that hawthorn tea can reduce fluid buildup, which means it can also improve symptoms of kidney disease. It has basically 2 actions on the body. It's a mild diuretic, so it will help the kidneys get rid of excess sodium and water. But it also acts as a vasodilator, meaning it can relax constricted blood vessels, ultimately lowering blood pressure. A great way to help your kidneys both in the short and long term. If you want to try this remedy, you can buy pre-made hawthorn tea or make your own using the dried berries, flowers, and leaves of the plant. I've included a link to some trusted sellers in the description. Okay, be prepared for a tip that will give you instant results both in terms of getting rid of swelling and improving kidney health. Number 3, try magnesium and vitamin B6. Okay, this is number 3, but for some people this is going to be the most important step actually, especially those with a vitamin or magnesium deficiency. If you have kidney problems, getting enough B vitamins is key to help the kidneys get rid of excess water and sodium. And while it's very important to get all the vitamins of the B group for people with kidney problems, vitamin B6 in particular can help. This vitamin works with the kidneys to help the body flush extra water and sodium from the system. Food sources of vitamin B6 that are suitable for a kidney diet include chickpeas, quinoa, corn on the cob, spring greens, chestnuts, and hazelnuts. Not many foods actually, so also consider a supplement if you can't fit enough of these foods in your diet. I've talked about the best vitamin supplements for kidney disease in this video up here. Now, vitamin B6 is especially helpful if taken with magnesium. In fact, studies show that taking magnesium together with vitamin B6 can relieve symptoms such as water retention and swelling in the legs. Also consider that magnesium deficiency is very common in people with kidney problems and can cause high blood pressure. Foods rich in magnesium include soy nuts, beans, tofu, almonds, cashews, and dark chocolate. I've also listed some trusted brands of magnesium supplements in the description, but remember to talk to a doctor before taking new supplements. Number 2, drink more teas. Oh, every time you enjoy a hot cup of tea, you may be flushing excess fluid from your system. Both green and black teas have shown potential as natural diuretics. There are many teas that have powerful health benefits for your kidneys. Green tea, for example, is so rich in antioxidants. It's considered one of the best sources of antioxidants in the world. Black tea is richer in caffeine, in theanine, and it's a stronger stimulant, also very healthy. What they all have in common is their ability to promote cardiovascular health and improve blood circulation. And you can drink tea every day, maximizing the health benefits you can get from it. Another benefit drinking tea every day can give you is added water intake. And getting more water is extremely beneficial when it comes to get rid of excess water in the body. Why? This is part of the kidney health tips of the day. How to ease swelling and help your kidneys improve. Eat less salt. This is really important for your kidneys, especially if you have edema. In fact, excess salt intake can cause you to retain as much as 1.5 liters of extra fluid, not to mention the effects on blood pressure. Remember that impaired kidneys won't remove as much sodium as they should. And also, move more. It sounds simple, and it is. Regular exercise, but also walking help get the muscles in your body pumping, aiding circulation and helping to move fluid around out of the body. Try my home workout program. Another easy tip: cut back on refined carbs. Eating too many refined carbohydrates means the body will store them as glycogen in the liver, which attracts water. And this is just one of the several reasons why eating less refined carbs will help with kidney health. Now, maybe the most important one: drink more water. If you don't have a water allowance, drink a lot of water every day. Do it for your kidneys. 8 to 12 glasses a day are recommended to help the kidneys get rid of extra water in the body. This works because dehydration can make the body hold on to extra water to make up for lack of incoming water. So this is why in today's video about turning your kidneys on, we have seen a lot of different teas. Drink teas every day, especially the super healthy one I've shown you today. Now, if you are already focusing on eating a healthier diet, cutting back the salt in your diet and getting plenty of exercise and activity, maybe it's time to talk to your doctor so you can find ways to reduce your medications. Many patients I've met were able to achieve this with a healthier lifestyle. This is one of the most important steps to improve your kidney health and also helps with edema and fluid retention. In fact, very commonly prescribed medications for blood pressure, known as calcium channel blockers, are a cause of edema. Okay, time for our number 1 for today. And this is a detoxing remedy with fast results. Number 1, dandelion and horsetail. Dandelion leaf is one of the most powerful herbal remedies for your kidneys. If there's a remedy that's going to turn on your kidneys like a water tap, it's this one. It also has anti-diabetic properties and can help with high blood pressure because it will signal the kidneys to expel more urine and additional salt or sodium. These effects are especially powerful when combined with horsetail. This herb contains a very potent antioxidant that works especially well to reduce damage done by oxidation. It also has gentle diuretic properties that may naturally promote the healing process of your kidneys. Now, these last two herbal remedies work even better when used as a part of a kidney detox tea. If you want to know everything about this powerful kidney detox tea, you may find this video up here very interesting. Okay guys, a new video is coming next Friday. I hope to see you there. In the meantime, keep taking good care of your kidneys and be good to yourself. Thank you for watching.